Hello everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Repairs. A customer hired us to fix their existing patio cover. You can see we have a 4x4 post, but it's completely dry rotted through. As we come up the post, we can see a lot of the 2x6 rafters are completely rotted out. You see here, a lot of the 2x2s. You can see along here, folks. And as we come down this post, the same thing, it's rotted out at the base. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your patio cover repairs and any kind of dry rot and termite damage you have. Have a great day, and thanks for watching our video. More than happy to come out and give you a free estimate. Have a great day and bye for now.